The free Excel course that you're about to watch is just a small part of Microsoft Office full course bundle. So if you want to also master Microsoft Word and Microsoft PowerPoint with my teaching style and also be able to gain a certificate of completion for the course you're watching, you can feel free to tap the first link in the description right now and join us over there in a fraction of cost. Also mentionable that this course is brought up to you by the Takeoff College, the smartest alternative currently available to the traditional education. With all that being said, I'm very excited to get started, so let's go. The next thing that we have over here is the ability to either insert or delete or format our cells. So we can be changing these sizes to our cells through this format inside the cells section. And in order to do that, you need to at first again make a selection of what you want to change and come to format. And here we have row height and column width. And these are all settable over here. So I say 30, for example. And as you see, I can change the height to my row. And now if I align this to middle, as you see, this is more touchable now, these vertical align options. So I can also change my column width. So these numbers I think are in pixels, something like that, and these are all settables using this cells format option. We have delete, so this is about deleting rows, columns, or the entire table, the table columns, the table rows. We can delete the entire sheet. And as you see, it says that this is the only sheet that you have, and that's why you can't delete it. In order to delete it, you need to add another one. So this is basically these that we just talked about. These are sheets, and they are controllable throughout these options as well. If I click delete cells, for example, as you see, this is what will be applied to my project. We also have insert. We can insert cells. We can insert rows. We can insert columns, as you see. We can delete columns. We can delete rows. And these are all happenable through this cells section that we have over here inside the Home tab of Microsoft Excel. The next section that is very important as well, and we want to go through right now, is the clipboard. So this is basically what we have had in the other software of Microsoft Office. So these are the commands that we had: cut, copy, paste, and format painter. Using cut and copy, you will be able to either cut or copy the cells that you have. So here we have cells, not text, not anything like that. We have cells. And for example, I copy this specific cell or a set of cells. So I choose these two rows, for example, of my table, and I copy them. And I come over here, I click, and then I will be able to paste. And we have plenty of pasting options, as you see. We have paste, we have formulas, which is about when we are copying and pasting formulas. So what are formulas? You are going to know them in this very lesson that we are in. Just wait for them. But this is about pasting them. We have keep source formatting. We have no borders, keep source column widths, as you see, transpose. We have values. We have values and numbers formatting. And as you see, there are plenty of options that it provides us with. As you see, we even have pasting options for pictures and illustrations specifically. So this is paste. We also have format painter. So I want to write something over here. I say the Takeoff college. And I want this cell of mine look exactly like how this cell does. This name cell, for example. So all I need to do is that I need to first click this name, select it, and choose Format Painter, and then click and make a selection of my destination. And as you see, the Takeoff College will look exactly like this name cell does. And this is Format Painter inside Microsoft Excel.